my lord, how have we forgotten about Some Might Say? So we've got a D chord, we've got a B minor chord, we've got a G, back to a D, and then to an A. I think on the original he plays like this B sus2 at the beginning, but acoustically, if you want to play it on your own, and that, remember that MTV Unplugged version he did, I would go D to B minor, G, D, and then A. So your verse is going to be, some might say that sunshine follows thunder. Go and tell it to the man who cannot shine. I'm using a little embellishment on the A chord, like a sus4 and a sus2, but they're your kind of bases of it. D, B minor, G, D, and A. It then does that again, and then we hit this lift into the chorus. Some might say E minor to G, then to D, and then we go again, E minor, but then to C, and then to G. Put that together. Some might say we will find a brighter day. Maybe a little embellish again. Some might say we will find a brighter day. Build it up, yeah, 'cause I've been, then you know what's coming. Standing at the station, D to G to E minor 7 to G. You made no preparation for my reputation once again. The sink is full of fishes, she's got dirty dishes on the brain. Goes again, was overflowing gently, but it's all elementary, my friend. Now then it does this really random part. F sharp minor to F to C to A. Bit weird is that bit, but then it goes back in. Now sometimes when you're holding the C add 9's quite nice to do. And again, I haven't picked up on this before at the beginning about the B minor. I've had the keyboard warriors say it's B sus2. It is B sus2. I just prefer B minor. I think playing it on your own, for me personally, it sounds better, but I'll leave that to you. I'm not saying it's B minor.